people. Today's going to be a day of controller issues, it seems.
Let's have a good game, good luck, fun guys.
Excellent.
You hear me, guys?
Jungle bot active.
Yep.
Nice.
Let's go, let's go. Mirror, then you take near camp, please. Okay, okay.
They're immediately on the turret. The Katoshis are here again.
Gonna pop immunity once we have the coins.
Looking for a healer.
Right, immunity is popped.
And is a healer. He's done. Running again. He's back.
Pulling on tower here.
I'm battling him.
Still pulling on bulwark. Pulling it.
I'm anti-healing him. Kill him. How did I miss the fucking...
I'm playing Hanzo. One bulwark. Hanzo can die. Hanzo can... on 6, on 6. Tower pulling on 6.
Fubiki can die.
No way.
Why are our coats made of butter and theirs are just like surviving?
Hanzo's anti-healed.
Katoshi free casting. Boss choke. How many Katoshi, bro? What the fuck?
There's 3 of them.
The tower pulled.
One can die, one of them can die. Nice.
Both of them can die if we're good at this.
He's back.
One rest.
Hanzo can die on 6. Hanzo on tower.
Oh, shit.
I have 2 healers. We cannot do anything.
Then we just play this game.
They're
Yeah, we're
pulling
not-
on 12.
How have they got 2 healers and doing this much damage to the fucking turret? This is crazy.
Hanzo on tower can die. Hanzo's dead. Pulling towards jungle.
I'm with you, Asher. Katoshi can die, one of them. Fuck it, I'm horsing.
Yeah. I'm on
I'm
a
with you.
body.
They're shredding this turret. What are we doing, bro?
I bombed on Katoshi, boss choke. Katoshi can die, boss choke.
I'm back on Hanzo now.
Nice.
There's 3 on the turret. While
He's revived, so we can die, so we can kill him again.
You let me know, Mirror, then if there is an anti-heal target. Hanzo's anti-healed. Hanzo's anti. Can die. He's dead. Look on Kvari on 6. Is anti, can full die.
Bro, we lost the turret in 4 minutes.
Kvari can still full die. They're pulling on 12.
They're going for the good.
Tower protection is popped.
We need to get back.
Do we go mid or goes?
No, we should go base.
Jungle
They're
in
already
60
in here.
seconds.
OG5, just follow them wherever they go.
Make the call, Devil. Where do you want to
G4,
go?
get ready to only send 2 people into jungle.
We have
What
to
did
Buy
Yeah.
chickens for jungle too if necessary.
I see a whole party pinged on
Pulling on bulwark here.
Do you take chicken to boss?
Jungle
Yeah,
in
on
40
bulwark.
seconds.
It's dead. I'm back on Hanzo. I got anti-heal again.
Oh, I see
Just
your
let me know
item.
if there is a target.
I'm taking chicken to boss, yeah?
Yeah, I'm on him.
Mid tower down.
They're
They're
on
not
goose.
moving yet though.
We're taking jungle first and
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Yeah. Get ready for jungle. Jungle in 15 seconds, guys. How to rotate the tower and pull, man.
They're heavy in our bot jungle.
Nobody's going boss.
we're taking jungle first and we go boss, bro. Oh ma.
Yeah, jungle. Oh my god, we fully missed it. We don't have jungle bot, do we?
Maybe just go next.
Spam execute on camp. Spam it, spam it, spam.
Okay, that doesn't work.
Okay, got it. We need close camp. Good job.
You're already taking boss, no?
Look back
Yes,
the
they
tower
on
here.
boss. 4 right now on boss.
How many percent?
70%.
Okay.
Pulling towards jungle here. Hanzo anti-healed. No Serene on Hanzo and fully anti.
I'm gonna play disrupt and maybe keep them away from it. 60%.
I'm not gonna do damage to it.
I'm coming just in case they shield it.
Yeah, they're just chasing the chickens, they're not doing damage.
How's
Healer
base?
ultimate on the mid.
How is base? Anyone?
We are fighting against two groups.
Just leave top tower. Yeah, just leave. Leave. Why do I get to hear this now, man? Just play life.
This chicken, by the way.
Our offense is not.
I lost my chicken.
Yeah, our G4 is boss as well.
I've been here for a whole minute, my fucking buff is back up.
Anti-healing on the goose. On the goose anti-healed.
Anything he's got there, devil, we do.
I cannot do anything, I have chicken.
Gonna pull on top gate.
They're protecting the chicken, but...
How many?
Healing ultimate.
How's HP of boss looking like, devil? How's it looking like?
45.
They're not fighting it, they're just keeping us here for as long as they can. We have an entire
Offense.
party
Why?
here.
Why do you guys not send anyone to the boss?
They're bombing here as well.
They
I'm
want
dying.
it.
Oh my god.
It's fine, they're not
Just
doing
spread.
damage.
Just spread. We gotta wait till G4 is back. We gotta wait till G4 is back.
One is down.
30%.
To share.
I can't take the chicken. I'm just trying to
Immunity's
fight.
popped.
Nice.
Healer ultimate on the mid.
Oh, they take.
We're sending off. G2 go already, bro. What are you waiting for?
The boss is dead. 3 minutes too late.
Yeah.
Let's go next, man. This game is unplayable.
All of that so that we can. I also
Just wait. Wait for G4. It doesn't matter. Wait for G4 to come back. Play live till then. G4, when are you guys there?
We're here now.
All right. Tanks, feel free to look for place now. Look around the goose. Around the goose and center.
The barrier.
Bombing mid now.
Healing out if possible.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
Anti-heal.
I'm anti-healing now.
Good job. Good job. Goose is on mid gate. Goose is on mid gate. Goose is on mid gate.
Gonna pull on mid
Pulling
gate.
on the goose. Pulling on mid. Pulling on mid. Pulling on mid.
Gonna follow.
Anti-healed and mid gate. Just follow it. Follow it. Follow it. Kill those people. Kill those people. All anti. All anti.
Gonna heal ultimate.
Completely fuck them here, bro.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Goose is sitting on top side. I need everybody to play around the goose. Move with the goose. Jungle in 50. We don't have chickens. G5 will need to go onto bot.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
I need you guys to take top side jungle. Sorry, top side jungle.
No.
Healer ultimate on the mid. Where is the goose?
Mid.
Goose is sitting in mid. Goose is sitting back on top side.
Jungle
They're
in
moving
20
to jungle.
seconds.
Ada and Murph move out here. Yeah, move out. No. We have 400 coins. We don't have chickens. Move out. Everybody out. I'm staying. Everybody out. G5 take top side jungle. G4 bot side. G6
I'm
split.
staying near.
Zale's the top performer again.
More people coming too.
I have like 4 on bottom side near.
Guys, look for Sizzle, Minazuki, Getsu, Akawari.
Jesus, everybody press escape.
What the hell was she playing? Phalanx blade and bot or something? I'm fine.
Strategic retreat.
Nice.
Come back immediately. Come back immediately.
I don't know if I got it, but it's like 4 of them here.
No, I did not get it. Oh well.
Look where the goose is. Goose is in front of the tree. Play around the goose. Tanks play full
Healer
disrupt.
on the mid. Right now.
Goose is sitting on bot side now. We're anti-healed. Careful, careful. Don't bump now. Don't bump now. Just horse up. Spam your mistakes. Don't die. Anti-heal is almost over. Anti-heal should be over. Look towards bot side here. Look towards bot gate. Bot gate. Bot gate. Pull on bot if you have it. Pulling on the goose on bot. On bot. On bot. Pulling it. Pulling it. Pulling it. Pulling it. And extend. 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 Follow this. Follow it. Follow it. Follow it. You're all out. That's like minus 10 serines. Just bump if you have bump. Look on.
We need it. Well, we're gonna get murdered here.
Just declump. Yeah, just declump. Just serene and horse. Serene horse. They are bombing on both side. Healing ult is down.
I'm gonna pull on mid gate. On goose, sorry.
I'm following now. Now, they're dying.
Look in center. They're dying in center. Dying in center.
That's 3 dead.
Look on the goose. Goose is sitting on bot side. Bot grass. Bot grass. Bot grass.
They're clumping mid.
Need all the tanks to play around the goose. Look towards bot gate. They're just fully free casting, bro.
Healer ultimate.
I'm on bot now.
I'm pulling on bot, pulling on bot, pulling on bot, pulling on bot, pulling it, pulling it, pulling it, and all anti-it, all anti-it, all anti-it. Commit to it, and extend, 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 bro. Just declump out. I'm popping city protection. Get ready to in 20 seconds.
Try play to near the tree. Goose is about to dead.
We're city protection still up.
RYUJIN's already on the tree, look at him.
Don't let them pick G6. Only G6 immediately on the tree. They're gonna try to pick the tree now. They're on it. Get ready for sprint here. Get ready for sprint. They're sprinting, sprinting. Block the sprint.
Jungle
Block it,
in
block it,
60
block it,
seconds.
block it. Nice, good shit. And declump away from the tree. Declump away, declump away. Just horse up on the tree. Horse up on the tree. We are anti-heal. Don't engage on the tree now. Keep your bombs as well. We're still
Healer
anti-heal.
ultimate on the tree.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Look on tree now. Tree can die. Tree can die. Tree's anti-heal.
No,
Tree's
chicken.
anti. Tree's anti. Full commit on the tree. Full commit on the tree. On the tree. On the tree. On the tree. Tree's dead. Oh my god. Tree's dead. Declump again. Declump again. Declump. Declump. Carrier is alive.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Pulling the top gate, pulling the top gate.
I mean, fucking.
It's jungle in 15 seconds. I'm pulling towards top, pulling towards top. Top of tree,
extending.
top of tree. Get out of base, get out of the base. G4 is taking care of jungle. We're down one party, wait for it. They don't have send it into jungle. Send it. G6 stay on tree. G5 move top jungle.
I got my jungle.
I'm anti-healing him.
Spam execute on camp.
Healing ultimate.
Just leave. Leave. Back to tree. They still have a carrier. If a tank has ult, pull on the tree now.
I'm bombing on the tree. 3.
Yeah, look in front of the tree. Look on the tree. Kill the tree. And declump now. Declump again. Everybody leave the tree.
We need to get on 12. There's like the whole
Far 12. We have a lot of minuses for each
They are
other.
too much. Yeah.
Somebody get on.
We'll still be one party down.
I am
Move for
dead
tree,
even.
guys. Move for boss. They're sprinting.
I'm taking chicken to boss.
Everybody get on 12 here. Get on 12. Gonna pull on the tree and 3, 2, 1. Pulling on the tree now. Pulling it. In front of the tree. Extend it, yes. Extend it. Look on the tree now. On the tree.
60%. What's HP?
Nemesis, look the tree
Tree
carrier.
still anti-healed. Send it on the tree. Kill the fucker here.
40%.
Still anti.
Healing guys.
Get away now.
When do we throw?
20.
They're picking again. They're back on the tree. We can kill the carrier again. Look on the carrier. On the carrier.
They got the boss.
It's fine.
Don't die.
What'd you say?
Healer. No.
Ruka? You say something? To me? Or no?
Wait for G4 to come back.
I
Keep
thought
your
you-
ults
sorry, I
for
thought you
now.
were talking to me.
They'll giga collapse on us in a second. Look, deep 12 tanks. Holy shit, I'm dead. Part 12.
Healer ultimate on the tree.
Pulling on
There's a lot
12 in
of
front of the
six.
tree. Pulling. Extend this. In front of the tree. Too late.
Heal all on tree.
That's my bad. Just call it off.
Pulling.
It's good. Well, we bombed and they
Move
fucking
out.
one-shot us.
Press unit.
See?
Just horse up here. They're all bombing right now. Just horse up, play live. They're sprinting. Use it now. Collapse on the tree. Tree carriers anti-healed. I think I'm full dead.
Lilio.
Yeah, I'm full dead. Use healing ults if you have.
47.
Thank you.
I'm double dead.
Yeah, just go roots here. Just go roots.
Jungle in
We
60
can send the
seconds.
party. No, it's too late. Never
Had
mind.
no time.
I'm sending
Just go
G2 to
roofs.
tree.
Game's already over, man. Just let them run.
We're 2 people. That's all.
Sent already.
It's not looking fantastic, is it?
Jungle in 40 seconds.
I'm gonna bomb here to try to save you guys. Yeah, jungle in 30.
Do you have chickens?
Don't worry. Just res me after. Do not die for me.
Jungle
Everybody
in
just go
20
back
seconds.
from 6 once you guys are back. Tanks dive deeper. All the tanks just dive deeper.
I'm taking a chicken to jungle.
And we're just gonna use the coins. Fuck it.
Healer ultimate on the
G4
tree.
taking care of it. Let G4
As
take
soon
care
as
of it.
defense is back, come back, guys. Do not fight there.
I'm late though.
Jungle's gone.
I lost my fucking.
Everybody
the
into
jungle.
mid choke. Everybody
Get out.
into mid, into mid, into mid.
I'm horsing. Get
Pulling
out.
in front of the tree here. Pulling in front, pulling in front, pulling in front.
Extending.
Look in front of the tree, in front of the tree. Full sended in front of the tree.
They're healing though.
Heal
Can
all
we not
mid.
see?
Holding.
Anti-healed.
Tree can
Okay.
die. Tree is dead.
Heal all on this.
Tree is back alive. They're pulling on 12. Careful. Just force up. Get out of their bombs.
I'm fully dead. Right.
It's a circle.
Holy fuck, they're shredding us and we can't do any damage.
Yeah, just get out, get out. Just move to roofs if you guys can.
I think they rotated towards you, Gomena.
We're wiped.
This is rough.
Just let them end at this point. There's no point to play.
What the fuck is an army of people here? Did not spawn in for me.
Pulling on front.
Offense is fighting, just jump down.
You can't heal me because I'm 3D or shit. I'm not here. Now you can heal me.
Offense is there as well, just
He's
try to
solo
stay from 6
DB
while
ulted.
offense plays from 12.
Heal all in front of the tree.
Heal. No. Gummy, where are you?
Here.
Pulling on the tree here, in front of the tree. Look on the tree now, tree's anti-it, tree's anti-it and sprinting, anti-it and sprinting.
The circle.
Healer ultimate on the tree.
Declump away from the tree again, declump away.
Never mind.
Declump away from the tree. Tanks dive into 12 here, 6 is completely clear. All the tanks into 12, every single tank.
Healing on tree.
Everybody full dive bot side here, full dive bot side, full dive bot side. Clear the bot side. Bot side of tree, bot side of tree, bot side of tree. Full dive that shit, full dive it, full dive it.
Heal all on street.
We got that tree, guys.
I'm out of here.
Better than we did the last time.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Oh well. GG.
Anti-heal the tree carry now.
Healer ultimate on the tree.
Jungle in 40 seconds. Jungle in 20 seconds.
My bad for the boss. I didn't call it.